Hi Stampers, it's Gigi with StampFUNatics. Thanks for joining me today. And I got some new product in that's going to be an online products that'll be coming out. We got to order them early because I'm a demonstrator. And so if you're thinking of that, you can check out StampFUNatics.com and look on there about joining with me. Anyway, I wanted to show you some of the things they came out with because this year they're finally coming out with Halloween, fall, and Christmas early. So if you want to do Christmas in July or you want to get a start on your Halloween products and also your fall. So I bought one of each kind of just to show you. So the first thing they did is come out with this great black noir ribbon, which is a little shiny on the edges, like it's really beautiful. I don't know if that shows in the camera, but I got some of that because I thought it would go good for the Halloween. And then they have these cute embellishments called Bats and Ghosts and Dots adhesive back. And they have, white dots and black dots in different sizes. And then look at these cute little ghosts. They have little faces. And the bats, they have, I think it's some coloring on their wings. And they have little faces too. It's like so adorable. So that'll be added. I have Oh My Fright. And these were a stamp set that I wanted because of this cute cat with the little hat that we could color. And, the scared cat. And then the ghost and the bat. Some stars, some bats in flight. And Boo to You, Happy Halloween, and Trick or Treat with a nice little cobweb. I just thought that was an adorable set. And I like the sayings. And then this one, I bought the dies, and this is called Web of Fun. They do have stamps too, but I just got the dies because I wanted the cobweb and I wanted the spiders and these little tags. And then again, Happy Halloween Night and Boo, and it was just so adorable that you can cut out in your designer paper or your regular cardstock. And then I also got Fun for Fall. I love this little scarecrow. I thought he was adorable. Again, it came with dies, but I'm not using them because the only thing that was different, besides cutting these out and whatever, was a fence. And I already have, I think, a fence in one of my other sets. So I just got, this is something to crow about. Happy fall, y'all. Hey there. So thankful for you. So it could be for Thanksgiving also in the fall. So thankful for you, hoping your day is wonderful. Congratulations. They have the crows, the flower. It's just so cute. And I'll probably just be doing a lot of stamping on these and maybe cutting out with different dies. And then I got the merriest tags for a Christmas one. I'm probably going to be gone a lot of December before Christmas. So I thought I would do Christmas in July and get started on some of those because I won't be here. So the merriest tags, joyful greetings, holly, jolly, Christmas, happy, merry. So it could be Happy Christmas or Merry Christmas. And then the to from to make for tags. And then it's got these cute, a little something for you. And then this one is what I really loved because I think I'm going to even make a card out of it. I'm not just using it for tags. Little holly and candy cane too. The paper I decided to get was so adorable. It's Spooktacular Designer Series paper. And this one, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You get 12 of 4 different designs. So we have the Dracula. He's so cute. And this would be good on a card or a treat. What they suggested was making a sour cream container. I don't know if you remember those, where you kind of flatten it that way and then you fill your candy and then you flatten it the other way like a sour cream container used to be. I'm not going to do it yet until I get some candy or something. The back, though, is real cool, too. It's got black and white stripe. Then the next one we have is the skeleton, and more of a black and then the white stripe. And let's see, what's the third one? I think it is the Frankenstein, which we love, Frankie. And on the back is an orange background with the black stripe. So these will all be great to use in the fall also. Wait, there's another one. Here we go. And we have our fall pumpkin. Isn't he cute? And then on the back is a black background with the orange stripe. So you've got several different types of stripes that you can use in the fall. And then these cute faces for your cards or your boxes. You might make a bag. I actually might make a little gusseted bag for treats, and I might make one of the sour cream containers later to show you. Okay, the next thing I really loved was the Frightfully Fun Designer Series paper. And this is a 12 by 12. Now this sheet has, you know, where you can cut it this way and make several cards. You can make probably 6, or depending on what you want to do. And then it has this cool swirl pattern on the back, really pretty. And then let's see, here's one with cats. All these different cats, they look so cute, look at him. And then here's the one with the hat that I have in the stamp set that I love. And then this great striped again with the black and sort of a cream, I wouldn't say it was white, and orange. Okay, and then we've got the ghosts. And this one is cats and ghosts on it. And there is sort of a shading on some of the ghosts. I don't think that's an error because it's on everybody's paper, but it's kind of cool. And then on the back, you have the stars with the orange. And let's see what else we've got. I'll get that back in there. And then we have the bigger ghosts. And see how they've kind of bled in some of the orange? It was on purpose. It's not a mistake. And then you've got your cobwebs on the other side. Those are cute too. They'd be cute cut out with a circle die, or even that new scallop one that we have. I did not show you the larger ghost, so did I show you the larger? Let me look. No. So let's show you this one is so cute too when you see this. Look at the ghost, and look at this guy here. He's got his tongue out. He's just like boo. And then on the back, we've got orange spider webs. And let's see. We got that. Oh, and then we have the same kind of a haunted scene, but in the blacks and grays this time. So if you want a darker effect, we've got that. And then on the back is the swirl in an orange. So I really love this paper. I thought it was festive and fun, and we do get trick-or-treaters here, but I also don't just do it for trick-or-treaters. I'm in card games, mahjong, and I play canasta, so I give my girls something. I have a women's group in my little neighborhood that I'll bring them something at Halloween. I have, if you go to any of your doctor's offices, the girls love this stuff. I go give them my front desk people, you know, a little treat, and they love it. Okay, and the next one I wanted to show you was the 26-28 in colors in a gingham gallery. So I love gingham, and so I thought I would get this. And it's more use of the new ink colors. So you've got a large check on the front and a smaller one on the back. And then you've got, there's your hydrangea hue and the blush. And I forget what the gold was called. And there's your cantaloupe, crisp cantaloupe. And here's the colors. Barely Blush, Crisp Cantaloupe, Golden Glow, that was the gold, Hydrangea Hue, and Peaceful Pine, which is your first green one. And then they have a whole suite. Now, I just got the paper. It's called Violet Dreams. My mom's name was Vi and Violet, and so I just gravitate to violets. And so it has this beautiful paper, and let me show you one on the back. I haven't even gone into this yet. Ooh, a beautiful stripe. And then you've got this gorgeous one with all the violets and a beautiful little light on the back. Let me see what the colors are. They are Darling Duckling, Fresh Freesia, that's that color, Gorgeous Grape, the other purple, and then Hydrangea Hue, Peaceful Pine, Secret Sea, and that's it. Okay, and let's see what other color. All right, then there's this one, which is just a lot of violets splashed on a page, and then this pretty Hydrangea Hue, blue stripe, and a diagonal. And let's see. Oh, this one's pretty too. Look at the violets in a smaller kind of a diamond pattern. And then on the back is a green. These will make great gift bags too. And they coordinate real pretty, all the colors. And I have one more I didn't show you. This one, which is the purple. Again, there's the diamond shape, but smaller little violets. And then like a polka dot on the back. And then it also comes with, how many sheets of this? Let me see. I guess it's one. Nope, two. 2 sheets of all these cutouts. So that's kind of why I didn't buy the stamps, because I have sayings I can put in these, but I can cut out all these beautiful violets and kind of form my own flowers. And I can also color them, because some of these are, you know, not colored in yet. And give me a chance to use maybe those new shimmer markers that we got. And so you get 2 of those. So there's plenty of stuff you can do with that paper. So I just wanted to give you a little sneak peek of what's coming on the online. I believe it's in June, and that we were able to get early, because that's a perk for being a demonstrator. I don't really do classes anymore, so don't feel like you do. But you can get great discount. You can get new products early, and you belong to a good community of people. You can get ideas, and you can also get into any events that they have. And so, yeah, if you're thinking about it, just go to StampFUNatics.com and join in the fun or whatever, and you can just join up with me. I would love to have you on our group. Thank you, and have a great day.